Hey, so today I am sharing 3 of my go-to hairstyles for summer, I guess, and I'll show you how I do them. Obviously the last one my mum is going to show you because I can't do it, but I hope you enjoy. If you are new around here or haven't already, please subscribe, because that means so much to me, and I thank you. Push the notification bell because I will be posting Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays for now. Some weeks I do post occasionally, not the full 3 or extra, it just depends because it's really hard to do certain things at the moment, as most of you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoy these 3 looks.
Okay, so hairstyle number 1, I was really lazy this week and just straightened the ponytail of it because I couldn't be bothered. But the first one is a high pony. You'll see that I don't have a hairbrush because I do have one, but I never brush my hair. So you just get your hair, gather it all up to the top of your head, really, like that level. And then put the elastic round. And then just pull it tight. And then I always put a barrette clip in the back, like so. Tighten it. And then any bits that need it, where I've not brushed my hair and it's not slick, which is still gives it a bit more texture, you just put a bobby pin in. I think it only needs one there. Maybe here, because I've also got flyaways and stuff that work here. Pull it, comb it through, and then you have your straight ponytail, like so. Easy as, and I love the high ponytail. This is quite high for me, and this is what I've been wearing. Again, you could probably wear it curly as well. I just love my hair straight. In the ponytail. Look 2, you can use pretty much what you've got in your hair now. Take your hairband out. This is perfect for straight and curly hair as well. You don't have to, but just put it up like you would be putting it in a ponytail. But quite high up on your head, you can see it's quite high. That's where my ponytail was, by the way. And then with the hair, you just bring it round and round, and then just put the headband in. Like that. My barrette goes in the back of my hair because that is what I can. You can put a bobby pin in, and then you just want to play around really with your bun, and play with it. Just move yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I need. I suppose you could put one in the front where you've got little bits. And there is look 2. These like little curly bits at the sides, I just normally put it in a bobby pin as well. And my final, like the third style that is probably my go-to at the moment is a French plait, but I can't French plait my hair myself. I can only Dutch plait. Well, it's not even that. I think it's called a lace that I can do.
So my mum's going to show you how she does a French plait. Wish her luck because she's shy of the camera. But I'm in her bubble, so it doesn't matter that she comes near me, just saying. So she'll try and show you now. Yeah.
Okay, so start with just a small piece. Depends how much plaited you want it to look. You can either do big plaits or you can do it finer. So Melanie's hair's quite knotty.
Because it doesn't break.
So 3 pieces. Twist them over each other. Smoothing out any bits. And then take another little piece from that side. That goes into that twist. And then when that twists over, you get the piece of hair to join with it. And then that twists over, and so each twist take another small section of hair. So every move you're taking some more hair, and gradually the pieces you hold are going to get thicker. And smooth out any bumps along the way. You get complaints at the end. Should be able to see the plait quite well there now, especially as Melanie's got different tones, colour tones in her hair. You can see the light hair coming through now. Right, coming to the end now, that's all the hair added in. Am I keeping plaiting down to the bottom?
Yes, please.
And just keep doing a normal plait. The band at the end. Okay.
And then if you've got like bits here that you feel like you should probably pin them, but I don't need them at the moment, do I?
No.
And there is the French plait, thanks to my mum.
calling me Melanie seemed really strange. Anyway, they're the 3 go-to hairstyles at the moment. I hope you enjoy. I can wear this French plait probably tomorrow as well, really, because I sleep in it. If I put hairspray in it, bobby pin it, and then even if you just put like a hairband or knot wrap in, it still works. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.